Myotherapy is a small college where you feel like family. Our massage program is focused on holistic, whole-body health care. We have a solid foundation in anatomy and pathology, and many different classes for you to choose from that are not offered at other massage colleges. Your experience here at Myotherapy will be a personal one. We have small class sizes where instructors are very available in class and often after class to help you with any questions you may have. We have flexibility in our scheduling. You can take day classes, evening classes. You can mix day and evening classes if that's something that would work for you. We hire specialists for each modality that we teach in our curriculum. These teachers are passionate and excited about what they're teaching, and they have years of experience and training. We have a supportive staff here to help you not only through school, but once you graduate, we are here to help you with finding jobs, getting licensed. Our students graduate from here with a wide variety of options for employment. They can go work in the medical field, they can open their own practice. Our feedback from employers is that our students come out prepared in a different way. Oftentimes I've heard if they've been to Myotherapy, they automatically get an interview. We are the most affordable program locally, and we do have financial aid for those who qualify. Your best use of time would be to come in and meet with us and let us go over all the options for you.